Kia ora, I'm Bernie Lepper. I'm the manager of Central Otago REAP, and I've been in this privileged position for more than 20 years now. I'm originally from Clyde, from Uruuruwhenua, and we live in the best part of New Zealand. REAP is about facilitating educational opportunities, and that's from, as we say, from cradle to grave. So start with our early childhood years and then we work right through to our senior years. Today's about us learning, which is really cool. It's the Hui Fono, which has come to Central Otago, it's come to Alexandra.
Kia ora, my name is Shona Bain. I work here at Central Otago REAP in Alexandra. My job here is to look after our ACE life skills program. It's the best job I could ever wish for. I do what I do because I see the difference that education can make to our young people. Okay, education is transforming lives in this community. It's taking people off benefits. It's giving them a great family life, it's valuing tamariki, it's valuing mokopuna, it is making a huge difference to community well-being.
We've just been through the kava ceremony, and I remember trying kava in the 80s in Fiji, and it still tastes bad. But what I didn't know then is the process and how important it is for that social cohesion, that mixing, and today learning what we have and listening to our tutor, we learnt everything else that goes with the kava ceremony. And it still tastes bad, but it's not about the taste, it's about being together and sharing stories and learning from that.
Oh, the kava session was really interesting. Dispelled a lot of myths, making myself think a little bit deeper about some of my values and how that relates to some of the Pacifica peoples. And it's about starting to build that understanding on a far deeper level. We actually need to get back for have another, little session around the kava bowl.